Hello and welcome to the creative evaluation of Digital Ghost's nonlinear project. We were given a group task to produce nonlinear media. In our group, we established what skills each of us had from the start and assigned tasks for each member of the team between us. We then brainstormed in the session we were assigned the task and came up with some initial ideas. I documented these and they were later referred to when we started constructing the website, digitalghosts.webs.com. We decided between us that the best course of action to take would be to produce an interactive model of various locations around York and interlink these with the ghost theme surrounding the city of York. As York is one of the most haunted cities in the world, we wanted to use this to our advantage to create an interactive game. We then established a timetable of what we were going to do and a working production schedule. Due to the nature of what we were going to do, we decided to work together on the filming of the project. I took the responsibility of organising everyone on the day, when and where to meet, booked out and collected the equipment we needed. The equipment we used included a piece of panoramic kit which was to be rotated to certain angles upon filming. We stuck to the idea of a panoramic being produced, and we waited for the ideal opportunities to take photos. On the day of filming, we decided to photograph two different locations in York. We had to do this pretty quickly, so the sunlight remained the same throughout the photography session. On the day, the taking of the panorama went quite well. However, the video documentary didn't come out so well due to human error. We really needed some more expertise on this subject. I really wanted to document the progress and process of the day of filming to say how it went, because I saw it as important to reflect on what we did and how we did it, so we could improve it in the future. The task each of us had assigned were as follows: Heather Plimmer, Director, Research, Photosynth Production and Web Updates; Richard Moulds, Web Updates, Panoramic Camera, Research, Photosynth Production; Chris Gomez, Documentation Camera. Each of us were assigned to these tasks after discussing what skills we all possessed. I encouraged the group to be honest about what we could do technically. Going back to the initial ideas, we were originally going to construct the panoramic in 3D using PaperVision 3D. I was going to learn this programming tool, which is a powerful platform allowing programmers to construct interactive 3D models. Due to time constraints and other commitments, I was unfortunately unable to commit to learning this language at that stage, which is why we decided to do something a little different technically, using a tool called Microsoft Photosynth, based on the Microsoft Silverlight platform. Unfortunately, we have found that the Silverlight platform is only available for use on the Windows operating systems and cannot be used on the Mac. If we were to do this again, I would use a different tool, possibly PaperVision 3D or DX Studio, to construct the interactive model. The good thing about Microsoft Photosynth is that it allows freedom of interactivity and allows the user to click on which parts of the model you want to bring out and zoom into other parts of the photographs. So really, it is more than just a 360 panoramic tool because of this interactivity. The team worked well together and we constructed each session we had together in an orderly fashion, so each of us knew exactly what was going on. We also constructed a website to document the planning, progress and results of the nonlinear project. Overall, the project proved to be a success and the final product was pretty good and I'm pretty happy with it, mostly due to the fact that we stuck to our production schedule. And although we changed the format of which we were presenting the panorama, the effect was good, and I would go as far to say that it was better than what it would have been with PaperVision 3D, due to the time constraints and learning the programming. The initial idea was a good one, and we followed it through quite well, in my opinion. Thank you. This has been Richard Moulds.